My name is Surya, and I'll be guiding you through the various features of this platform and telling you how to use it. Thank you. Or you could stay in the windowed mode. The windowed mode I find is more convenient because I'm able to move the window with the video playing and actually read my text and watch the video at the same time. So I find this more convenient. But I'd let you as the student choose your level of convenience with this. You also have something called context, where you can tell the GENEO team whether you thought that this video was relevant to this particular page of text or whether it was irrelevant. Again, all these pieces of information that you provide for us is non-mandatory, but it will help us make GENEO a better product. In case this video has a few lines of text explaining what the video is about, you'll be able to see that here. So this is videos in general. Going a little forward, I will tell you the different kinds of video we have on our platform. But for right now, let's move to the second section of our ribbon called add-ons. In this, we have two kinds of add-ons that we have here. I'm going to show you the first one. This is something called mind maps. Let me go ahead and click on a mind map. And mind maps are to be read from the top right-hand corner in a clockwise manner. So you will find that magnetic effects of electric current, and this is the second mind map. You can say force on a conductor by a magnet depends upon the direction of the current and the magnetic field. So this is a very easy symbolic way of understanding the relationship between various concepts. And again, your mind maps are all mapped to the pages of your textbook. Your mind map comes in individual sections. So you'll see that this is part 1 of magnetic fields and a mind map that covers the entire chapter. So please feel free to explore this wonderful way of learning through mind maps. The other is that sometimes we will have excuse me, we will have 3D models for you. So for example, in this case, the right hand thumb rule is being explained. But in a two-dimensional form, it's very hard for a student to understand exactly where the thumb is and how the magnetic lines feel are going. So if you click on the 3D models, what will happen is you'll get a 3D model by which you can just hold your left mouse button down and you can rotate this and understand the diagram in a more detailed and better way. You can use the center of your mouse, which is the center button or the wheel, to zoom in or zoom out. And also these again will change. So as I go to a different page, 232 in this case, you'll find that I've got now a model of an electric motor. Again, you can hold the left mouse key down and you can zoom and rotate into the model. You can also go zoom into the model and understand it in greater detail. So that has my interactives. The last part of my ribbon here is something called assessments. In this case, I can take a quick assessment of 10 questions on this particular chapter and see how well I fare. I have also taken assessments in the past that you can see, and for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to pull up one of my assessments and I can double click on this. This shows me the assessment I've taken in the past with the questions I got correct, signified by the green button in the bottom, and questions that I got incorrect, signified by the red buttons in the bottom. So I can go to the questions that I got incorrect and see which option I had selected and which was the correct one. So this helps me revise questions that I got incorrect in the past. I can also take a brand new assessment, in which case I get 10 questions and I'm given 9 minutes to finish them. I'm going to go ahead and do these questions. The Once you go to the next, you can either jump to a particular question here, or you can go directly to question number 8 and then decide that you want to come back to question 3. So we allow you to jump back and forth just like an exam paper. When you're done with all the questions and you feel that you've had a fair shot at this assessment, you can go ahead and hit submit. It says you've not attempted 5 questions here out of the 10, and I'm going to say yes. Go ahead and submit it. And since I was just randomly clicking on it, I've got a score of 1 on 10. I hope that you students do much better on this. I can now look at my solutions, and again it tells me where the grey ones tell me that these are questions that I did not attempt. The green ones tell me the ones that I got correct, and the red ones tell me the ones that I got incorrect by showing me the incorrect